Hi guys, welcome to the Selective Series. In this video we're going to be looking at question 2 of the 2021 Thinking Skills paper. In this question, 4 students had a race to see who could get to the top of the hill and back first. So we know there are 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. The first clue is no one arrived back after Bruce. That means Bruce must have come last. Only one person was faster than Ethan. So from there we know Ethan must have come second. And we have James finished after Ethan. So James must have been third. So the other student would have been first. Where did Stephen finish? He would have been first, so A. Thanks so much for watching. There is a whole bunch of Selective Series questions in the comments below, so please be sure to check them out as well.